If you struggle to create consistent content for your sites and social media profiles, or you just don't have a great content marketing strategy, then make sure you pay very close attention to this short video, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can shortcut all your content marketing tasks to 30 minutes a day, regardless of which online business you're in. And it doesn't matter if you're a content publisher, person expanding your brand or those of other companies, agency for profit or nonprofit, startup seeking success, coach, product creators, or even an affiliate. The solution I'm about to show you will help you create engaging content that turns visitors into readers and readers into buyers. I'll tell you what it is in a moment. But first, unless you've been hiding under a rock the last 10 years, I'm sure you've heard the saying that content is king, right? And that's 100% true. There's nothing more important than content when it comes to succeeding online. Well, if that's the case, why aren't you creating more content for your sites and social media profiles? If you're like most people, you probably have to spend hours upon hours researching topics, spend even more time trying to write an article without any help. Try to find images that you can use in your posts and on your social media profiles. Edit images to make your posts engaging. Keep track of all your sources for your niche. Use various tools just to create a coherent blog post or social post. Share your content on each social site separately. Try to schedule that content and automate the syndication, and a ton of other mind-numbing tasks. With these problems and others I didn't mention, is it any wonder that more people don't create more content for their business? It's because creating amazing content can be a royal pain in the butt. But what if you could have a content marketing strategy that was as easy as making a sandwich? And what if you could have all the tools you need under one roof without bleeding your wallet dry? And finally, what if everything worked together in one seamless dashboard instead of having to jump back and forth between 50 to 100 different tabs on your computer? Well, I'm pleased to announce that you can do all of that and more with the brand new software called ContentBurger. With ContentBurger, anyone can create amazing content for their sites and social media profiles in a flash, regardless of skill level. And the best part is that not only does ContentBurger help you create amazing content, it also helps you automate your content marketing with ease. You can see a full demo below this video along with details, but let me give you a brief overview of what ContentBurger includes when you get started today. First up, you'll be able to craft a great post using any of the 3 different composers inside of ContentBurger. There's the blog post composer, the social media composer, and the image designer as well. All of these include rich format options to make your post look engaging and attractive to readers. Next, you can post your favorite WordPress sites or your Medium profile. No need to jump back and forth. Just connect your accounts inside of ContentBurger and you're good to go. Now, if you know anything about creating great content, then you absolutely know that curation is a part of that. That's why we've included tools like the Content Discovery option, which gives you access to articles, quotes, GIFs, videos, as well as trending content too. You can drag and drop any element into your current posts, and ContentBurger will automatically add citations from existing sources for you. From there, you can automate your content marketing like an absolute boss. ContentBurger also includes the ability to add multiple social media accounts that you can syndicate to easily. And if you really want to get ahead of the game, why not use the ContentBurger Planner to schedule your content across multiple channels just about any way you want. The scheduling options include full flexibility, so you can not only build content flows how you want, but also repurpose content on different channels to make your posts seem unique. Also, you can take things up a notch with the automation recipes included inside of the ContentBurger platform. Mix and match a number of recipes so that your content goes exactly where you want when you want. Plus, you'll have the ability to keep all of your content marketing and content creation organized by using the efficient ContentBurger workspace option. And that's only a handful of items. I didn't even mention features such as drag and drop embedding from 9+ external sources, the ability to eliminate writer's block with the Content Assistant, drip feed publishing that lets you set and forget, powerful filters for effortless organization, the hashtag saver that lets you tap into more traffic, link shortening whenever you need it, the ability to use retargeting, call to action widgets for your content, content marketing campaigns to help you reach your content marketing goals, keyword and domain filters, true AI-generated post captions, full content previews without the annoying ads, adding custom sources and RSS feeds for market insights, multiple regions and languages support, intelligent UTM assignments, and a whole lot more, all of which comes packaged inside an intuitive yet easy-to-use dashboard complete with a quick start wizard. As I said earlier, you can see the full details and a complete demo of ContentBurger on this page below. But if you're ready to finally cut your content marketing tasks to shreds while creating more content than the competition in less time, then make sure you sign up for ContentBurger today. Because right now, ContentBurger is available for an extreme discount. But once the time runs out on this page, we'll either raise the price or move to a monthly subscription for ContentBurger, or both. So, if you're tired of not having enough time to create great content that gets leads and sales, or having to piece together tools to help you build your social media following, then do yourself a favor and get access to ContentBurger today. There are so many ways you can use ContentBurger to boost your SEO, profits, and create a true sustainable six-figure income, all from the comfort of your laptop. So, here's what you need to do next. Scroll down and review all the details on this page.
So, the first thing you do, you go to the login screen, you sign into your account quickly, and as soon as you sign in, you will be greeted with the workspace. You can decide to create a new workspace if you have the plan. So, clicking on this workspace opens up the dashboard. This is a very intuitive dashboard that gives you access to everything, articles and all that. So we'll look at the discovery, composing, planner, campaigns, automation, and analytics. ContentBurger gives you a very thorough look. So let's start with the discovery tool, and then we can decide to search for articles, quotes, memes, and videos. For the sake of this demo, I'll quickly go to articles. Here you'll be able to see all the articles that have been created already. And with a simple search, for example, say I want to use the word UI design, you will be able to see articles related to that particular search keyword. Now, on the left-hand side, you will be able to see curated topics that you can easily just click on and then access those topics. Now, what it does is you can either convert or share this post to blog, you can share to social media, or you can view the engagement, the trend score, and even the sentiment. So there's a whole lot going on here. And if you decide to use the advanced search, you can easily add more keywords and then select a language, the other sorting types, and then you apply. This can be done also for quotes, memes, and videos. For the sake of quotes, when you actually see the quotes in question, not only can you share these quotes, but you can easily start creating an image based on these quotes that you see here. So this will automatically load up the image designer that we'll look at very quickly. So I'll quickly also show you the wizard. ContentBurger works as a wizard. First things first, for every post that you have here, you can click on the title of that post to be able to see a preview. So you don't even need to start running around for posts that you might not like. So you can see a preview of that post, and then you can even view the original source of that post. So what we can quickly do is click on share to social media. Automatically this loads up the social media sharing, and I've activated link shortening on this platform, so automatically our links have been shortened to this URL. So once you activate the link shortener, that will be seen. So this is the social post composer. You can add your hashtag here, and then you can add your UTM tracking. Also, if you need to find assistance, you can easily search for stock images, and then you can drag and drop into this editor. We can also go ahead and search for new articles while we are here, drag and drop into this editor. Same thing we can do for quotes, we can do for articles, we can do for memes, we can do for GIFs, and even YouTube videos. So there's no need for you to leave this editor when you're actually composing. So this is like an assistant. Next, you move to your account. At this point, you can select your accounts or the social media accounts that you want to post to. Since we chose the social media option, we'll be met with social media accounts. If you need to add a new one to quickly create or connect any of the accounts, for this demo, let me still run around with the Facebook connection. So automatically, This will load up the Facebook platform, and since I've already connected, I'll see all the pages that I manage, so I can easily just select the ones I need to add to this account right now, and then success, we have it, and then you can easily click on those accounts. Next, you go to customize. So in the customize page, you will be able to further narrow down or edit your post. So if you are posting to Twitter and you want to reduce the size quickly, you can easily do that. And that goes for every other platform that you have. So this gives you full control into customizing. So you can even share unique content to different social media accounts based on that initial post that you have. Next, you go to publish, where you can publish now, or you can schedule this post for a particular time, select the region, the time, or you can simply save as draft. Saving as draft will take you down to the review, where you see a review of this post. So this is how every feature in the discovery works. It takes you through a wizard from step by step, and then you're done. Now let's look at one of the composer. ContentBurger gives you a blog post, social post, image design, and other form of composing power. We've just looked at the social post composer. Let's quickly look at the blog post composer. This actually works the same way. You have all the assistants right here, stock images, so you actually don't need to leave this editor. But this time around, when we run a search or for an article, as soon as we get the article, if we drag and drop this into the editor, this time around, it pulls out the entire content from this particular post. So not only would you have a link, but you can have the content, and then from this point, you can use this to build your own links, your own articles. So at this point, we can easily increase the size, make it bold, change the color, and that's that. And then we can even easily look for stock images related to this niche. You can use Corona. So that will search for stock images related to this, and you can simply just drag and drop. Same way you can do for videos, drag and drop. So this gives you a very easy way for you to plan and automate your content. So that's that. So this composer still gives you a whole lot. You can add smileys, emojis, and all that. Just to keep this short, I'll move around to the next phase, where you can select the account. You can connect your WordPress blog and even Medium account. So you select a primary account, and then you select a secondary account. Why we are using the primary and secondary is so you can actually get SEO sorted out, so that you don't post one article directly to all social media without following proper guideline. And you can also select social media accounts that you want ContentBurger to automatically post to. So immediately they post to those blog accounts, they can easily share those links automatically back to your social media accounts. So that gives you a lot of power. At this point also, you can still customize for different accounts, and then move to publish, and then you can do the same thing, and then you publish that particular content. So we've been able to look at the discovery and the composing power. There's also the image editor, which we'll look at. Also, you have your planner, where you can easily plan your content. You can see all the content that you scheduled for different days, and then you can see the social media accounts. Then you can go to a particular day, click on this plus icon, and simply start adding posts to that particular day. Also, you can move to the week view to see your content strategy for that particular week, and then you can even go down to the day and select a particular time. So there's a whole lot, and we've also added some collaboration into this planner, which you see once you log in. Also, you have your campaigns that allows you to categorize your post and then see your statistics based on a category or a campaign that you've actually set out. Lastly, you have your automation. The automation actually gives you access to automatically share articles to link, articles, videos to social media, articles to blog, videos to blog, even an RSS feed and a bulk uploader. The bulk uploader actually allows you to start automating your posts just by uploading the CSV. So we have a CSV format that you can just upload here, and all your posts will be scheduled and posted just as it is in your CSV file. Also, if you have some popular RSS feed accounts, all you need to do is put in the name or the RSS feed link and put it here. It can be your own RSS feed. It can be RSS feed for just about any website, and then you start creating those content and automating those posting and publishing. So quickly, let's look at the videos to social media automation. So I give you an idea of how this works. So let's say demo auto. Here you can select your social media account quickly. Once you're done, you can still add your new social media account at any time. You click on next, and then you can select the platform that you want this to actually fetch relevant information from. Right now we have YouTube and Dailymotion, but also we are planning on improving all this and adding more platforms. So the first thing you do at this point, let's say you say fashion trend, for example. So this is like a keyword I want to use, and mind you, we can use multiple keywords. Automatically, for this particular automation, ContentBurger will show you a preview, so you have an idea of the type of post that this will bring. So in case you feel these are not the posts that you would like to be posted, you can add multiple keywords and use other parameters to actually search, view counts, and all that. Once you're set, or you like the type of automation that you have here, you click on next. At this point, you can add your hashtag, and ContentBurger also have a hashtag group, but we'll skip that for this demo to keep it short. And then at this point, you can now set your drip set and forget automation. Here you can select the frequency for this particular post. You can say you want automation to be running every 6 hours, every day, every 6 weeks, whatever. So you have full flexibility. And then you can decide to run this campaign automatically starting today, or you can set a set date and time. So you can decide to start this campaign, let's say 2 months from now, if you have a campaign coming up, or you need to select the particular date, select when you want this automation to end. So it gives you full flexibility into what you can actually do with this automation. And the best part is we've given you another option to actually review what you want to be automated. So you can set a reviewable automation where ContentBurger automatically discover those posts. And then once you log into your platform, you have a space where all the posts have been aggregated for you, and then you can now approve them with one click if you don't want it to be totally automated. So that's for the automation. And then if we go back to what we just did now, click on view post, we'll be able to see all the posts that have been found with that particular automation. So if we move to this, now we can see all the fashion trends that we just saw. So these are the posts that have been automatically added. So we can decide to maybe check this post, see whether we like it. If we like it, we easily click on approve. If you want it to go fully automated, you don't have to go through the step. Also, if you need to edit it, you click on edit. This loads the composer, and then you can add more contents to it, and then do a whole lot that you want to actually achieve with this post. So that's for the automation, and it also works for other types, RSS feed, bulk uploader, and a whole lot. So there's a whole lot packed into ContentBurger from discovery, and it carries all content types, articles, quotes, memes, videos, and all. And then you have your composer that gives you full flexibility over what you can do. Also, if you click on the settings menu here, you will be able to see your menu, see all the social media accounts that you've connected. You can remove anyone as you like. You can add more. And also, you can even integrate your link shortening and other integrations that we've added to this. So there's a whole lot packed in that I didn't even mention, but this is just like an overview of what you can do with ContentBurger. Also, we have a very powerful support URL, so you can find it at the interconnect.help /ContentBurger. Here, we've actually added a whole lot of articles to walk you through every aspect of this app, so you're sure to get the full support that you need to actually maximize this 100%. So see you inside. I can't wait to see you rock this.